Hi guys, if your Sony TV is blinking a red light 4 times and it is not turning on, this usually means a power related problem. So in this quick guide, I will show you how you can fix it step by step. So when you see this type of blinking on top of your Sony TV, you first of all need to turn off your TV, then simply unplug it from the power outlet. Afterwards, locate the power button on your TV and press and hold it for at least 20 seconds. Now you can also wait for further 1 minute before plugging it back in and turning your TV on. This particular step alone is going to fix this particular problem. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists in your case. You can just simply plug your TV directly into the wall outlet, and you just have to avoid using any type of extension boards or surge protectors. Also, you can check the power cable for any loose connection or damage. On the Sony TVs, the four red light that are blinking usually point a power supply or the voltage related issue, and this can happen if the internal power board is not delivering the stable power to the TV. You may notice that the TV is trying to start but failing repeatedly. So you can also try unplugging the HDMI devices, the USB drives and the set-top box, and then you can try turning on the TV again. Sometimes these external devices can interfere with the startup process. So these steps are going to help you quickly find and fix the issue. Thank you.